Hey everyone, if you're tuning in, chances are you love to travel as much as I do. Today, I'm taking you to one of my favorite spots on the planet, Chania, on the gorgeous island of Crete. Let's dive into some must-visit destinations that will make your trip unforgettable. First up, the Chania Old Town. This isn't just any old town. Picture narrow, winding streets, vibrant markets, and buildings that are bursting with history. Every corner tells a story, whether it's the old Venetian Harbour with its lighthouse standing proud, or the bustling Agora market where you can taste the freshest local produce. It's a feast for the senses. Next, we can't talk about Chania without mentioning the stunning beaches. Falassarna Beach, with its crystal clear waters and golden sands, is a paradise for sunbathers and swimmers alike. And if you're up for a little adventure, Elafonisi Beach awaits. It's famous for its pink sand, yes, pink, and is an ideal spot for those Instagram-worthy shots. For the history buffs out there, make sure to visit the Archaeological Museum of Chania. Housed in a former Venetian monastery, this museum showcases a fascinating collection of artifacts that tell the rich history of Crete, from Neolithic times to the Roman era. And if you're looking to experience some natural beauty, don't miss the Samaria Gorge. It's one of the longest gorges in Europe and offers a challenging but incredibly rewarding hike. The views are spectacular, and the sense of achievement when you reach the end is unparalleled. To wrap up your day, head to the waterfront restaurants for some mouth-watering Cretan cuisine. Try the dakos, a traditional dish made with dried bread, tomatoes and mizithra cheese, topped with a generous splash of Cretan olive oil. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's the perfect way to end a day in Chania. There you have it, folks. Chania is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you. Whether you're here for the beaches, the history, or the food, Chania has something to offer everyone. So pack your bags, bring your camera, and get ready for an adventure in Crete. Remember, travel is about exploring new places, meeting new people, and making memories that last a lifetime. I can't wait to hear about your experiences in Chania. Safe travels and see you on the next adventure.